playing Build a Boat for the third time.
Build a boat for treasure. Build a boat for treasure. You're a PC. You're a PC man. You're a PC man.
Actually, I'm TV man.
You're a TV man.
But the
You're against
head-
all skibbity toes.
But the head is called PC.
How'd you get smaller, bro? How'd you get
I
smaller?
have the small candy.
Oh, small candy. I don't want to become small though.
Okay.
Because then it makes me look more like Spinosaurus, Godzilla, whatever, bro.
It looks weird. And with the blue thing.
This is how Godzilla really is. Like, in the 2021 movie, Godzilla's like this huge. But bigger.
Boggle oatmeal be like.
Wait. Look inside of my head, guys. Wait, go into first person. Godzilla's skull be like. I decided not to change that since I'm masking it with my Godzilla. So yeah, Godzilla's skull be like, bro. Godzilla's. Hold up, let me zoom into my
Tiny man.
Godzilla's skull be like.
I made a whole town.
You made a tiny town.
This is where you're supposed to be. Conquering the tiny town.
I'm in the tiny town. Wait, but hold up. Why did you build this and build a boat for treasure?
I don't know. My friends inspired me to do it. Forced me.
Police station.
I'm planning to get more blocks so I can build things like a military.
Yeah, we wanted to build a military base that time. You have like an iMac. Let me look at my inventory. Yeah, I got that trowel, whatever thing. I forget what that does. Hold up, I'll check that later.
You got the trowel.
Let
me see.
I've been doing Bobucks for this.
That's how you become a spinal.
That's how you become a pro at Roblox, bros. Get Bobucks. Yeah, right. Like I'm a pro at
And get luck.
Well, yeah, luck, as we discussed earlier today off of behind the scenes, let's say. I'd like to say behind the scenes for the stuff we talk about off camera. So, behind the scenes, we were talking about the fact that a pro needs a lot of luck. That's why I'm not a pro. Because everything in my life so far has not worked out.
Has been Robux. Mostly.
It's only been Robux so far. That's been...
I'm not a pro either because I barely get Robux.
Yeah, you need... But together... When we work together, we are a pro too. We are two noobs that come together to form pro.
I've been playing this game for 3 years.
Yeah, you're off of experience and luck. I'm off of a lot of Bobucks. And I mean like a lot. A lot of Bobucks.
Experience.
You're the experience and luck part. I'm the Bobucks part.
Robux.
Robloxian Bobucks.
Someone tell me in the comments what are they speaking in the chat. It's not Arabic.
Oh wait, duh, I have to keep my phone in this position because it's recording.
Boy.
Oh yeah, what are they speaking in the chat? You know what, this server is just not English. We're not gonna be speaking to them anytime soon, so yeah. Wait, Lewis, don't you know Spanish? Don't you know Spanish, bro?
That's not Spanish.
Oh. I thought it was Spanish.
How would that be Spanish? Spanish is just basically English words, but English letters, but not English words.
Well, that's basically English letters, the same thing. It's like It looks like that says Noctebti.
That looks like Noctila. Bonksala. Okay, I should stop doing that because then I don't want. Wait, we only support English. Wait, we only support English.
Yeah.
Only English speaking channel.
Well, actually, you can teach.
For now.
Wait, Lewis, I have an idea for you.
Right.
I have an idea for you. Maybe since you know Spanish, you can like teach. You can like give Spanish lessons, kind of on basic Spanish words.
I don't want to be one of those teacher channels.
You don't have to be a full channel of like teacher. You just have to be like giving you Spanish. On my screen, that doesn't even. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, never mind.
I'll give you a Spanish word. Agua. That means water.
I've learned something new today.
Agua means water in Spanish.
I've learned something new today. I don't know that much Spanish. I know like C, hi. Oh wait, is C hi or is C? No, hola is hi. C I think is yes.
Yeah, that's yes.
I am kind of, as you realized just now, terrible, but E.
My base language is Spanish, but soon I have to go in Spanish classes because I'm forgetting Spanish rapidly.
I don't know why I just did that.
Stop speaking English. I don't know what we are saying.
They don't know what we're saying. We're just saying one letter though. Remember our voice chat video? Well, yeah, that has spread to everything else. Every time we play a game, we just decide to say E. Anyways, what is Build a Boat for Treasure about, though? Wait, we're just walking around the tiny town and speaking about blah, 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 blah.
I don't know, roleplay.
It's-
Tiny town.
We could maybe roleplay Tiny Town.
Like Godzilla. Shin come walk.
Godzilla versus Titan. TV. Godzilla versus TV Titan. Hold up. Let's line up like here on the street or something like that.
Wait, I need to become big.
There's a route where the light won't find you. I'll be there when the walls come tumbling down. When they do, I'll be right beside you. Okay, hold up. Let me go over there. Wait, let me be over here and then like turn over there to start the action. They're like questioning our English in this server. Anyways, we're gonna start.
You're speaking their language, I'm speaking English.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah, maybe this is Japan. Maybe this is Japanese and this is Japan. Dun 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 dun. Atomic breath bomb. Atomic breath. Atomic breath. Dun 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 dun. You.
Hey, what are you doing about property?
Dun 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 dun.
Try speaking Japanese.
Gojira. Gojira. That's all I can do in Japanese. It's Godzilla in Japanese. Godzilla was originally a Japanese character. Gojira. 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 It's pronounced Gojira, I think. Gojira.
TV man.
Atomic breath. And attack. And just shred. Wait, this is kind of like Godzilla vs. Kong. Except for the menace here. Over here is King Ghidorah. But hold on, I'm gonna still be Godzilla. Yeah, we all know Ghidorah.
Wait, stand still.
Hold up, I'm gonna team up with you over with this guy.
You know what I'm gonna do, right?
No.
Kaboom, baby! Kaboom!
I know what to do.
Boom!
I'm still alive.
Trying to get Ghidorah.
Oh. I'm just gonna click that button. Wait.
If you guys come in here, we'll get kaboom. Player. He's coming.
Yay, kaboom! Okay, that's good. Now we can. Now wait, freeze him. You're TV Titan. You can freeze him, right?
Let's freeze.
Bum, 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 bum. I'm gonna atomic breath. Thermonuclear activated. We did it, bro.
I think we have to end the video because my iPad is on like 5%.
Oh, okay.
Well, bye guys.
Bye, guys. Have a good day. Check out this boy over here, totally not 9. Make sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out BI-1 Robot. And have a good day, and I'll see ya.